If you want to start using QuickBooks, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To receive payment in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button and select Receive Payment. In here, you will see a form for receive payment. Just fill the information of your customer in here. Once you're done, click the Save and Close button. And that's it. You've successfully received a payment in QuickBooks Online. To check if the payment is received, go to your bank records and look for your customer information that send you a payment. And as you can see here, it's already received. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.